Hey there, awesome people. I hope you guys are doing great. This is your Victor from Wearview, and today in this video I'll be teaching you how to use AI models for clothing brand under 5 minutes. Now don't worry, I have not started the 5 minutes timer yet. I'll just start it just as I start the whole process. But to be honest, using AI models to our clothing store is the best and also the smartest thing that we can do, because we all know hiring a professional photographer is also really time consuming and also it's a really expensive process. But now it's a day and age of AI, so we can use AI to create our models who will be wearing our products. So these are the products that we want to sell, and this is the model that we are going to be choosing. And with the help of AI, we can combine them and create an AI model that will be wearing our dresses. So in this video, I'll be teaching you just that under 5 minutes. So let me go ahead and start the timer. Let me go ahead and start the timer. So it's 3, 2, 1. Let's go. So first, what I want you guys to do is go to wearview.co and then log into your account. If you don't have an account, then I would suggest you to create one. Once you do that, click on the Try It Now button. Once you click on the Try It Now button, it will show you all the features and all the options that we have under Wearview. We work really hard to bring all these features to you in the most easiest way possible. So yeah, please support us. And now what I will be doing here is go to AI product to model feature. So I'll click on that, and next what we are going to be doing is we will be selecting our dresses that we want our AI to wear. For this video, I'll select this red shirt, and we will select this pant. So you can just click on see what works, and it will show you what all dresses you can choose. You can choose a dress, you can choose t-shirt, bags, shoes, hats, shades, and skirts. So these are all the features or all the products that you can choose. You can also choose hats and shoes here as well. So we'll click on the next button. Now you will have to select a model. If you don't have a model, don't worry, click on the My Model button and go to Model Library and choose from a various list of models that we have in Wearview. So this is a list of all the models that you can choose from. For this video, I'll choose May. She's really amazing AI model. So once we have selected it, we'll click on the next button. Now we have an option to choose. You can describe your model setting. It's an optional. If you want to know more, click on the prompt tips, and it will teach you what to use. You can also copy some of the prompts that we already have. Just go ahead and paste it over here if you want. But for this video, I'll skip it. You can skip it totally. It depends on you. Next, choose the quality of the image. If you're really serious about your product, like website or your store, then of course 4K is the best option. But for this video, I'll choose 2K because I'll show you how the quality is. So after choosing 2K, you can choose the number of images. You can select maybe 1, but for this video, let's choose 4, and then choose the aspect ratio, which I'll choose 3:4. And finally, we'll click on the generate button. Now this will take, it says that it will take around 3 minutes, but now it just takes about 30 seconds. So I won't keep you guys waiting. I will fast forward this part of the video, but don't worry, even the timer in this video will also be fast forwarded. So it's not like I am doing something with the help of video editing and just skipping any part. No, it will be, the timer will go fast as well. I didn't have to make any adjustment. The video, the images are ready here, and we can see May is looking really, really nice. As you can see, the quality of the dress, of the quality of the image, as well as the dresses. As I can see, we are already 3 minutes down, and we already have our AI model wearing our dress. Now you can also go ahead and click on edit this image with an AI. If you want to change something, just click on this button, and here you have options to maybe smooth fabric wrinkles, brighten the background, sharpen fabric texture, stuff like that, or maybe remove background distractions. Your creativity or your your power of looking into things comes into the picture. And yes, like I said, your creativity is the ceiling here. But if you are by any chance not happy with your image generated, you can click on the try again button. But if you want, you can also flip the image horizontally. We had that feature, but once you are happy with the image, what I'll do, I'll just download all these images because I'm really happy with all the images that we have generated here. And yeah, I'll be using these images straightly onto my clothing store. Well, that's pretty much it, guys. I think we created the video, or we created our models under 5 minutes. It's around like 4 minutes. So that's how you use AI models for clothing brand under 5 minutes. This is here Victor from Wearview, and I'm signing out. And if you guys have any doubts or questions, please let us know in the comment box down below. We work really hard to bring you all these features, and you can see the quality of the images that has been generated. It is so damn good. Now, if you want, you can also convert these images into AI fashion videos, or even change the poses of the model and stuff like that. So there are so many features in this tool, which is Wearview. And if you want to know more about all these features, please watch my other videos. I have explained them in details. Well, that's pretty much it. This is your Victor from Wearview signing out, and I'll see you in the next video.